Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. This is gonna be our pillowcase, her pillowcase. One of the two that we have today. Gonna rinse it out here with the cold water first, and then move it on inside to the warm. Nice and freezing out here today. Overcast, fighting the rain as always. Well, as lately, at least, as we have been lately. The crazy part is it's been like bright and sunny every day of the week too, except for the 2 days we scheduled to tie-dye. To the inside?
To the inside.
Oh, sorry. Getting it unbended. Looking pretty good so far. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks really good so far.
Let's see what we got. Ooh, yeah, nice. Look at that. Awesome. Cool.
Pretty.
Oh yeah, that was pretty good. Yep.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Definitely gonna want a lot of powder on this one. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. That came out like really, really good. Nice pink and yellow spiral. Also with good striation, good gradient. Perfect amount of white left over. Yeah, that came out really, really good. I think at least. Look at that. Nice, perfect spiral. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you would like to see us dye next, what colors you'd like us to use, or anything else on your mind. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.